Yes, hello guys. This time let's find the the minimum. I'm just going to create an array with a bunch of uh, integers or numbers. Then we find the average. So this is going to take us with to class number 36 ex 46. Sorry, 46. And then we pick the main method over there, and then we finish. And here I'm going to create a double, and this is going to be double number. It's going to be array, and this is going to be go to new double, and I'm just going to create these very small numbers, like 5. You see the size of array. And then I'm going to use a scanner to ask the user to type these numbers or to feed an array. So scanner input equal to new scanner system.in Control Shift O. So this one have to be system.in, and sysout, ask the user to enter maybe 5 numbers, and then let's go use for a loop, and int as always I. We start with 0, and then we loop. I'm going to say I less than number. This should be numbers, so that you can just type numbers here, and I say dot length, and then I plus plus. Okay, and then I'm going to use numbers array, pass the index here, and then equal to input from scanner double. See, so it's gonna loop 5 times because the length of our array is 5. So it's going to be like first time, then you ask the user to enter 5 numbers. So every time he enter the number, this program is going to be aware of, because we have say it should loop at the length of this array. So it's going to accept data in 5 times before it can continue or execute the continue the program. So I'm going to print. We'll say sysout. Let me use the stream builder and say the mean is dot append mean, which I haven't created yet, and it's going to be, I'm going to pass just numbers here, numbers, and then I'll just convert this to string dot to string. Okay, so let me create this method called mean, and it's going to be public static double mean, and then double list. I'm going to pass the list array here. So it's double list, it's array of the type double. So I'm going to use double mean begin of array 0. Okay, and then let's use for loop, and this time I'm going to use int I equal to 1. I want to start from 1, and then I'm going to say I is less than list dot length. Okay, and then I plus plus, put some column here, and then I'm going to say if mean is greater than least, which is, I'm going to pass an index of I here. If it's greater than that, then I'm going to change, say mean is equal to what? I will assign this list to I. Okay, and then I'll return mean. Okay, so Control Shift, then format program, and then we save and try to run this program. So it's asking me to enter 5 number continuously, and this is what I was trying to tell you, or I was saying that it's going to accept, because it's a for loop, it's a loop, it's looping, asking me 4 times. So I'm going to type maybe 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So we know the minimum is going to be 10, so we are expecting to get 10. And also before I said array starts from 0 to start counting from 0. So, and that's why here, if you've noticed here, I started 1, not 0, because if I start from 0, it's going to be like 6, 0, then you count up to 5. You see, and also here you have to be careful about this sign when it's less or equal or less. So if numbers is less than, so if it's 5, it's going to be less than 5, which is going to start from 4. Okay, so let's try to enter and see what is going to happen. So here is the minimum number here is 10. So you can see, you can just, if you don't understand, leave a comment below, then you understand. I know this might be a bit complex or for you to understand, but just take some time to read this very carefully, you understand, because here this is a method, and this our method it's a static double, so it's going to return double, and we are passing double array list of type double, and double here I create a list variable mean, and then I assign it to list 0. Okay, then I loop through this list. Okay, and which is again this double list here, because we are expecting this method is expecting to receive the list. So is these numbers, and numbers, you know, is from numbers, we're receiving them from here, and that's why this method is picking the list, this list for these numbers, all these numbers we are receiving, and we are saying minimum start is going to be 0, array 0. Okay, and we are looping through this list again, because this is the list we are receiving from here, looping from these numbers we are receiving here, we are looping through it, and we are saying if the mean is greater than I, this one, then this should be this one, and then return this. That's very simple. Thank you guys, and remember subscribe and bye.